and today we are going to discuss about Squarespace and Weebly comparison, the 9 key differences you should know. Let's start. There is a difference between their editors. So overall, both of the Squarespace and Weebly editors are very user friendly and kind of drag and drop and easy to use kind of design editors. But there is a slight difference. In Squarespace, you have kind of a content block system, and in Weebly, it is more beginner friendly and easy to use. So I'll just show it to you in a live, like while how we are developing a site. So if here you can see these are content blocks. So I'll try to add one content block. So it will give me options how the content block should look like. Is it kind of a gallery, or it's a headline, or it is a quote, and like different options it shows me. So it's everything is divided into content blocks. So here you can see this is one content block. Then we have another content block here, which is having some images and descriptions. So each of them are separate blocks. So this is a separate block. As we go down this, if you can see, this is a separate content block. You can add everything in terms of blocks in Squarespace, and in Weebly it is more simple and easy to use, more beginner friendly. Like for example, here each of them is like a small section in itself, and you can edit, you can make changes to their fonts, colors, and you can add different elements. So like I'll show you. So this doesn't have the block system. So block system, if you are aware, block system is used even in WordPress. So Squarespace block system is like the WordPress one. Here you have different things, how the different elements you can edit in Weebly. This is, so hope you're clear the difference between the square blocks in Squarespace and in Weebly. Basically content blocks we can say in Squarespace, and Weebly is more kind of a beginner friendly. So the main point here is Weebly's editor is much more intuitive and beginner friendly, and that's why we are rating it a bit higher in this. Templates or themes are crucial to look and feel of your website, and theme selection is an important decision as your site looks and features depend on this. Squarespace has 110 templates while Weebly has only 50 templates. Squarespace has different themes you can select as per your business category, and they are more modern and professional. So that's the main difference here. Squarespace is rated slightly higher because the number of options of themes is much higher, and the overall quality of both Squarespace and Weebly are good. Let's move on. Features. Squarespace and Weebly are neck and neck in terms of features. Like both provide free SSL, free domain, SEO options, email marketing, mobile apps, and multiple options for editors. The only difference in features is that Squarespace allows you to restore deleted pages and blog posts up to 30 days after deletion, while Weebly allows you to undo the changes, but once you exit the editor or publish your site, you cannot undo any changes. If by mistake you deleted a page or pages, you will have to email Weebly and wait for their team to restore the deletions. In terms of features, both are equal, Squarespace and Weebly. So we'll move at the fourth point. That is the pricing. There are some different pricing for both Squarespace and Weebly depending on the type of features you require. If you require advanced features, then the pricing would be higher, and also they have separate pricing features for the e-commerce capabilities which are provided. So it depends ultimately on which option is ideal for you, and you can look at the recent pricing plans, and the links are given below in the description. So we'll move to the next point, which is fifth one, apps. So if you would like to add new integrations or kind of marketing and advertising services to your website, you can use apps which are provided by Squarespace and Weebly marketplaces, apps marketplaces. Squarespace offers over 50 apps, and they are mostly e-commerce related. Weebly provides 360 apps with a wide range of options to integrate your marketing and advertising features to your site. So you have more options here with Weebly. So in this area, Weebly provides a larger choice of programs that will be more user friendly, and Squarespace is catching up, and soon they will be adding more apps to their stores. So let's move to the sixth point, e-commerce. Squarespace business plans make it effortless to begin e-commerce store. There are no transaction fees, so that your earnings are greater. There are vast integrations you can take advantage of, like label printing, stock plugins, taxation plugins, accounting integrations, abandoned cart retrieval, and ability to make client accounts. Weebly provides some fantastic e-commerce features. It is perfect if you would like to begin a small online store for a side venture. It supplies a fully integrated shopping cart, secure checkout, and stock monitoring features to manage your store. The key point here is that Squarespace is better option to host your professional online store, while Weebly is ideal if you are looking for a small online store as a side business, as the e-commerce capabilities by Squarespace are much more and of a higher quality than Weebly. We'll move to the next point, which is blogging. Squarespace enables you to schedule and publish your blog post beforehand, and in addition, you can link automatically publish your post to Facebook or Twitter accounts. Weebly also makes it effortless to produce great looking blog website, enhance your search engine optimization, schedule your blog posts, and both Squarespace and Weebly support Disqus commenting system, which is secure and avoids any spamming in your content. So here, key point is that Weebly and Squarespace have similar capabilities for blogging. We'll move to the eighth point, SEO or search engine optimization. The two, Squarespace and Weebly, both offer excellent search engine optimization capabilities, features, resources, and supply details for to begin your optimizing your site. So Squarespace incorporates all search engine optimization tools on your site, while Weebly allows you to download apps and make use of the SEO capabilities. The feature that is especially beneficial in Weebly is that it allows you to add titles, meta descriptions, URLs for SEO purposes. They also have for you a SEO starter checklist feature that will assist you to follow keyword research and monitoring best practices. In terms of SEO, the key point here is that Weebly is marginally better in providing you SEO options in comparison to Squarespace. So we rated a bit higher on SEO ground, Weebly. The ninth point is support. Support, as you know, is a crucial part when you are designing your website on your own using the website editors. So Squarespace and Weebly both provide support features like email, live chat, forum, and knowledge database. So the key point here and the main distinction is that Weebly provides phone support for its paid plans, whereas Squarespace does not provide phone support. Phone support we feel is an essential requirement, hence Weebly is rated higher in this category. To conclude, we can say overall we rate Squarespace slightly higher than Weebly when we compare the design and e-commerce features provided by Squarespace. Ultimately, it depends on your specific requirements. You can try out both the website builders and then make a final choice. Both have free trial options. You can just head over to their website, log in, and just try them out and see which one suits the best for your requirement. Thank you, and hope you found this comparison interesting. leave in any of your comments there, and do subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Yeah, thank you.